So good morning, YouTube. Anyway, I'm over on the boat called My Jenny. It's a 391 Meridian. Belongs to my good friend Kevin. And we're over here at Detroit Yacht Club. Kevin's got some problems with some muskrats getting into his exhaust, chewing holes through his exhaust. So today we're going to put the scuba gear on. I'm going to put the GoPro on my head. I'm going to try to get as much filmed as we can. We're going to install these Muskrat Guards underneath his boat. So that's what we're up to today.
Used to it. Yeah. Always the first jump scary, huh? Like that? It's anxiety. Still wants to sink. More air. There's a lot of weight in there. That was cold. Not longer. So you're gonna be, which side do you want to do? You want to check out first? I could go for the far side since I'm over here. Okay. Just kind of point it out. So how? Yeah, maybe you point it out.
It was a little difficult balancing myself with the fins, working this mechanism. It was a little tough. Trying to find the right combination to hold this in place till I got a chance to get the wrenches out and tighten it up by hand. Muskrats caused a lot of damage to Kevin and Jen's boat. They actually swam up in there and ate holes through his exhaust system on both sides, on both engines. Cost him $1,000 in repairs. So it's a good idea to put these guards up there, and protect that and prevent that from happening again. Here's a picture of his exhaust before the repair.
Got the ceiling, 'cause it's all about the feeling. Keep it
All right, this is about the time where you have a project and you got to drop the wrench at least once during your project, and there goes the wrench that I had. Right down to the bottom, about 8 feet of water, into the muck. And I'm telling you, it was mucky down there. So Kevin and I, we went towards the bottom, try to find the wrench there. Let's see who's the winner. Stirring up the muck on the bottom. Just laying on the bottom, and we were rubbing our fingers through the muck, trying to find the wrench that I was using to tighten up those Muskrat Guards. Wait for it. Dirty, dirty stuff. This slowed us down a little bit. Yuck, yuck, yuck. This was bad. Probably would have been a good idea to put a lanyard or something on the wrench around my wrist. But as my hands get tired, I keep switching wrists. Keep switching my hands. I have no idea. Like I said, this thing fell about 8 feet underneath the boat, so we knew the general area where it was at, but we had to look for it. Kevin's shaking his head. He's wearing the GoPro on his head, filming me. He's like, no way, we're not going to find this thing. I don't like to give up too easy. And there's the winner with the wrench. Finish this side up. I got just a little bit more tightening to do. And I'm getting ready to move over to the other side. Just a little bit more snugging up. Alright, we did a successful dive. We got the Muskrat Guards in, and we got some footage on the GoPro. What do you think, Kevin?
I think we did good. It's tight. I'm happy.
What else did we retrieve today? We got a few other things down there.
We got, I had an old dog ladder, a ramp that fell down 2 years ago, so that's up now. And then we dropped the cover for the electrical pole and just before we went in, so we got that now.
So we should be all set. We're still drying off, and we're going to put our gear away and call it a day.